Hello everyone, this is Jacob Folger, artist sculptor. I want to give you an update. So I've been sick. Yeah, I was sick, and I'm not doing so bad now. Um, but yeah, I had this depression, and that lasted quite a while. But it's gone away. But I'm really kind of in this like it's not a great place. I'm actually making like two shorts a day right now. I've been doing that for a while. I don't know if you guys watch them, but uh, I have a consultant that's helping me do that, and um, but I haven't been putting out any other content, partly because the views have just dropped so bad, and I'm not really sure what's going on. It might be because of the shorts, to be honest with you. I don't know. But anyways. Other than that, I'm pretty flat, but I am getting out, and I went to the creek, and I will try. I'm going to put in some photos so you can see. I went to the creek on Tuesday, and it was beautiful, and that was very uplifting. I just grabbed the bus over there. I'm very proud of myself for getting out and doing that. And it was a lot of fun. And only the bus ride was like 20 minutes. It was great. I'll show you some pictures. Yeah, and but I'm trying to keep my spirits up, but I wouldn't say it's depressed, but it's something just still kind of off. What can I say? I'm not creating a lot of content, but one thing you guys should do is just let me know if you're watching the content. Leave me a comment or something, and let me know that you want to see more of my videos. Let me know that you support me, because I'm not sure what to do. The viewership has really dropped off. So not on the short so much. Well, even on that a little bit. So okay, that's my update. I'm gonna try to do better. And I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Thanks for your support. Bye bye.